Good morning to everyone. The lecture 6 on unit 1 and the subject design of machine elements is Soderberg equation, Woodman equation and Gerber's equation. Okay, we have in the next lecture we have seen sigma m equal to sigma max plus sigma minimum by 2, sigma v equal to sigma max minus sigma minimum by 2. And the Goodman equation is 1 by factor of safety equal to sigma m by sigma u by sigma v by sigma e into sigma a into ka into kl into k size into k surface finish divided by kf. Okay, so this is Goodman method. Here we are using sigma u, ultimate strength sigma u, for because it is used for brittle materials. Next equation is Soderberg equation. Soderberg equation. In Soderberg equation, we have used sigma y instead of sigma u. We have used sigma y, and the three failure theories are plotted here. So this is sigma u. This is Goodman equation. This is sigma y, Soderberg formula, and Gerber formula is a parabolic line. Okay, these are all the failure points. Next one important topic is stress concentration. Whenever there is a changes in cross section, that is here it reduces from higher cross section to lower cross section to higher cross section. Whenever there is a change in cross section present in fillets, notches, holes, keyways, splines, scratches, etc., the stress concentration will changes. That is, the flow of stress will changes. Failure will occur in this area compared to other stresses. So a theoretical or form stress concentration factor is introduced. The theoretical stress concentration factor equal to maximum stress by nominal stress. Nominal stress is induced in all other cross sections, and the maximum stress is induced in the holes or notches or in the changes in cross sections. This type of maximum stresses occur. So Kt equal to maximum stress by nominal stress, and the term Q, is Q equal to Kt plus Kf minus 1. Q is stress concentration factor. Okay, now we will solve a problem using the Soderberg formula. Determine the thickness of a 120 mm wide uniform plate for a safe continuous operation. The plate is subjected to a tensile load that has a maximum value. That is sigma max equal to 50 Newton and sigma minimum equal to 100 Newton. And sigma minus 1 equal to 225 megapascal, and sigma y is 300 megapascal. Factor of safety is taken as 1.5. So we have to take mean stress. Okay, sigma m, we have to calculate sigma mean. To calculate sigma mean, that is we have to calculate we have to add the sigma max plus sigma minimum by 2. Okay, sigma max plus sigma minimum by 2, that is 250 plus 100 by 2. Okay, that is equal to 175 kilonewton. Then variable load, this is a mean load, this is a variable load is 250 minus 100 by 2, which is equal to 75, and mean stress sigma m equal to 175 divided by A. A is 120, and we have to calculate thickness. So 120 into T. So it is a rectangular cross section. The formula is sigma equal to P by A. Tensile stress formula, sigma equal to P by A. So 75 10 power 3 into 120 T. According to Soderberg formula, 1 by factor of safety equal to sigma m by sigma y plus sigma v by sigma e or sigma minus 1. Factor of safety is 1.5, and sigma m 175 10 power 3 Newton, and 120 T into, this is divided by 120 T into sigma y equal to 300. Okay, 300 megapascal plus r Newton per mm square. Here sigma v 75 into 10 power 3 divided by 120 T into 225. 225 is sigma minus 1. That is endurance limit stress 225 Newton per mm square is equal to 7.64 divided by T. So T equal to 7.64 into 1.5, 11.5 mm. So the thickness of the material is 11.5 mm according to Soderberg formula. The second problem, it uses the bending equation. Here the load is not a tensile load because it is freely supported. Okay, simply supported beam is given. So the load generated is the bending load. Circular bar of 500 mm length. Okay, length of the bar is 500 mm. It is a simply supported beam. Minimum value 20 kN, maximum value 50 kN. Factor of safety 1.5. Size effect K size 0.85. Surface finish factor 0 K SF 0.9. Ultimate strength sigma U 650. Yield strength sigma Y 500 Newton per mm square. Endurance strength 350 megapascal. Okay. We have to use the formula m by I equal to sigma by y. Okay, m by I equal to sigma by y. Sigma, now the maximum bending moment, you have to write a bending equation. You have to write a, for a simply supported beam, a maximum bending moment is, so load is W, maximum bending moment is W into L by 4, because it is a central concentrated cyclic load. Okay, central concentrated cyclic load. So W L by 2 into L. So it is W L by 4. Maximum load equal to W L by 4. Okay. Already we have studied in SOM. So maximum bending moment equal to, it is calculated as 6250. W max is 50 into 10 power 3 into 500. Length is 500 divided by 4. Then minimum bending moment is, the value is given as 20 kilonewton. So this value comes as 2550 in 10 power 3 Newton mm. Mean bending moment is summation of this 6250 plus 2550 divided by 2. And variable bending moment is 6250 minus 2500 divided by 2. Okay, variable bending moment. Then using this equation, that is sigma by m by I equal to sigma by y. So m by I equal to sigma by y. Sigma equal to pi by 32 d cube. Pi by 32 d cube. So y equal to d by 2. So z equal to I by y. Okay, z equal to I by y. So y equal to d by 2. So pi by 32 d cube. So d value have to be calculated. So z value substituted here. So this is a mean bending stress. So 4375 divided by 0.0982 d cube. Okay. Then variable bending stress, which is 1875 into 10 power 3 divided by z value. Okay. According to Goodman formula, 1 by factor of safety equal to sigma m by sigma u divided by sigma v by sigma e, as sigma minus 1 into k surface factor, k size factor into fatigue stress concentration factor. So 1 by 1.5 factor of safety is given. Sigma m value is 44.5 in 10 power 6 divided by t cube. Sigma u is 650 plus sigma v value is 19.1 into 10 power 6 divided by d cube into endurance limit stress is 350 megapascal into size factor, surface finish factor, size factor is 0.85, kf take kf equal to 1. In solving this equation, you can obtain diameter is 59.3. In Soderberg formula, 1 by factor of safety equal to sigma m by sigma y into sigma v by sigma e into kf. The same formula will applicable. Only thing, instead of sigma u, we have to substitute sigma y in the Soderberg formula. So the value will only change. Sigma y is 500. Instead of sigma u 650, you have to substitute 500. You can get the diameter as 62.1. Here diameter is 59.3 mm. So you have to take the maximum diameter as 62.1 is the answer. Okay, next formula, the next problem, it is also the Soderberg equation some problem, but in this case here we have to use a torsional shear stress. Okay, it is 50 mm diameter shaft diameter is given, ultimate tensile strength of 630 megapascal. Okay, sigma u equal to 630 Newton per mm square, which fluctuates between 200 Newton meter. So torque T max 2000 Newton meter, T minimum minus 800 Newton meter. Using Soderberg method, calculate the factor of safety, 1 by factor of safety, and suitable values for any, assume suitable values for any other data needed. So mean torque equal to 2000 minus of minus plus 2800 divided by 2000 plus minus 800, which is 1200 divided by 2, 600 Newton meter. So maximum shear stress equal to tau m equal to 16 T by pi d cube. From the formula, T by J equal to tau by R, T by J equal to pi by 32 T power 4, tau by R equal to D by 2. And then you can get 16 T by pi d cube. 16 into Tm, 600 10 power 3 divided by pi into 50 cube is equal to 24.4 Newton per mm square. Like that, T max minus T minimum, 2000 minus of minus 800, 2800 divided by 2, 1400 Newton mm. So variable stress equal to, substituting this TV value in 16 T by pi d cube, you can get the variable stress value tau V. Okay, we have to assume tau E value is not given, so tau E value equal to 0.55 endurance limit strength. Okay, so it is 0.55 into 0.5 into sigma E. Sigma E is 0.5 into sigma U. Therefore, it is 0.275 sigma U. 0.275 into 630 equal to 173.25. Okay, that is, we have to assume sigma Y as 510 Newton per mm square, surface finish factor as 0.87, size factor as 0.85, and fatigue stress concentration factor as 1. Substituting all the factors, sigma tau y equal to 55, factor of safety equal to 24.4 divided by 255 plus tau v value is 57, ks 1, and tau e value is 173.25 into 0.87 surface finish factor, k size factor 0.85. From this we can get the factor of safety as 1.85. Okay. Here a hot, the same similar problem. Hot rolled steel shaft is subjected to a torsional moment, that is T value 332 110. Okay, 332 minus 110. So clockwise plus, anti-clockwise minus, we have taken minus. Okay, bending moment is also given. Bending moment is 440 and minus 220. Okay, KF equal to, KF is given as 1 and sigma U is 550 Newton per mm square, and yield strength 410, and sigma minus 1 endurance limit strength is half of this ultimate strength, so 275. Factor of safety equal to 2, and size factor 0.85, the surface finish factor 0.62. So it is November December university question. Then size factor, surface finish factor, load correction factor 0.6 for bending load, tau minus 1, endurance strength is shear equal to 0.55 into sigma minus 1, which is 151.25, tau y equal to 0.55 into sigma y, 0.5 into 410. So here the two loads are given. Okay, then here the Tm mean torque and Tv and sigma m tau equivalent stress is calculated. Okay, for variable torque it is Tm variable torque and variable unit, tau m tau v values are calculated, tau equivalent values calculated. For variable bending moment, similar to this, max mm and mv values calculated, and m equal to sigma